The third way to insert an image in your Microsoft Word document is from online. We're going to go back to Insert, Pictures, Online Pictures. You can do a search for what you like. You can scroll through the categories here. See some pretty amazing pictures here. You're going to click Insert. And you will see the picture inserted. Again, you can play with positioning, where you would like it to show up with and around your text in the document. You can play with the style. I would also like to point out from the second insertion, when you take an image from stock images, you will notice that there's a license here. So whenever you use a stock image, and in some instances or most instances from online, this one doesn't show it here, and usually credit where you got your image from when you use it. And there you go. Until next time.